name is Dr. Ashraf Al-Houfi. I'm the head of the Intensive Care Unit in Dubai Hospital. Today is the second day of our Emirates Critical Care Conference, the ECCC. Today was multiple sessions covering lots of lectures in the adult critical care, as well as the nursing critical care, neurocritical care, as well as the emergency medicine.
The conference achievement is a significant milestone that represents the hard work and the dedication of the organizers. It may have brought together expertise, researchers, and professionals in a particular field, leading to the new ideas, collaborations, and partnerships.
Hi, I'm Jed Williams from the World Federation of Critical Care Nurses, saying congratulations to Dr. Hussain and the Emirates Critical Care Conference, and a big thank you for the launch of the Emirates Critical Care Nursing Society. Congratulations, Mr. Malik, Dr. Samaya, and everyone involved in launching this new society that is now a member of the World Federation of Critical Care Nurses. Congratulations.